stories of the storm. The fire glows where shadows meet, the earth below, alive, complete. We rise, all voices of the land, the whispers carved in timeless sand. Oh spirits, oh guide our way through wilds untamed, where we shall stand. Bound in ancestry, we rise, all voices of the land, the whispers carved in timeless sand. All spirits, oh guide our way, the wilds untamed, where we shall stay. Drums, they call the skies, the eagle soars where freedom lies. The horns will sound, the moon will glow, a dance of life, eternal flow. We rise, all voices of the land, the voices of the land, the whispers carved in timeless sand, carved in timeless sand. Where we shall stay.